In this video, I will show you how to change Steam profile picture. To get started, open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, you want to come up to the top and click up here where it says Manage Accounts onto your account name. From this menu that comes up, click onto View My Profile, and what that's going to do is take you to your profile page. From here, if you come over to the right, you're going to see a button to edit profile. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Avatar. Now, you can see my current avatar, my current profile picture is here. But if you want to change this, you can use any of Steam's pre-built avatars. So if you click on see all down here, you can see avatars from different games which you can use. Or if you want to upload your own profile picture, what you want to do is click the option here. Just to note, your image should be a square and it should be at least 184 by 184 pixels. But if you click the button here, what that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer. You can then use this to locate the profile picture that you want to change to. So for example, if I wanted to change to my profile logo, then what I'm going to do is select it from my computer's file explorer. And what we can then do is crop this to the correct size. Once that's done, scroll down on this page, click the save button at the bottom, and as you can see, that's going to go ahead and change your profile picture on Steam. So that's how to change Steam profile picture. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.